Okay, so I've basically been a copywriter since 2005. I started working with clients independent of my job in 2007 or so, and I've worked full time with clients and then building my own business since 2010. And I've had plenty of success. I've lived up to the promise of like six-figure copywriter and all that stuff, right? So I often get asked this question: where to start as a copywriter? Where do I get started? Like if I've heard about copywriting, maybe I've seen the sales letters, I've seen people selling copywriting products. Like what should I do if I want to get started as a copywriter, and what should I focus on? How can I develop skills that are in demand? Well, the number one thing, and I said this in my book, The Copywriter's Guide to Getting Paid. The number one thing that you can do if you want to have an easier life as a copywriter, if you want more financial success as a copywriter, is learn to write copy that gets measurable business results. Meaning, a business can use the copy that you write and they put it out into the marketplace, whether it's emails or sales letters or Facebook ads or whatever. And they put that out into the marketplace, and it actually generates some measurable result, whether that's click-throughs to the website or sales or leads or um, you know uh, customers, conversions, profits, all of that, right? That's what a business is most easily able to justify paying you good money for, is when you're writing things that are actually getting them measurable results, where essentially they're buying money at a discount. So if a business hires me and they want me to write a sales letter for them, and they invest so much in my fee, and then they're going to pay me a royalty based on sales generated, the goal is always that like the fee plus the royalty is just a small percentage of the total revenue and profits that are generated by the promotion. And the reason that I find it so easy to get clients these days is I'm able to consistently write these sales letters and promotions and landing pages and video scripts that get people to take action and that generate a profit. And if you want to get started as a copywriter, if you want to build your skills as a copywriter, really like that is where to focus. How can I write sales copy or persuasive copy that is able to get people to take specific action? Now, there's some old copywriting formulas around this, like AIDA, AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. So like we know that we know, okay, we have to get their attention, and then we have to build their interest in our message. And then we have to stimulate their desire for our particular product or service. And then we have to get them to take action. And I learned, as I went, you can do that with short copy, but really like for me, what has paid off the biggest is focusing on how to write like long copy, narrative style sales letters, essentially. They don't always have to be in a letter format, right? But sales letters where it's based around one big idea, one big promise that we're making. And then it goes into like the pitch for that big idea. And that big idea is going to solve a problem that the prospect has, or it's going to introduce them to a new opportunity, or maybe it's going to make a prediction that that introduces a new problem or introduces a new opportunity as that prediction comes true. And then all of that is done in a way that sets up the introduction of the product or service, the offer that I'm going to make. And then we actually go through a process of making the offer feel valuable and making the offer feel real tangible and something that the prospect wants to get their hands on. And then you close the sale, then you ask them to take action. And when you do that effectively through long copy, through sales letters, through whatever media you put these persuasive messages into, it's really easy to succeed as a copywriter because, again, like you're giving your clients or employers or writing for your own products, you're like buying money at a discount, or they're buying money at a discount. Whoever is putting out the advertising is able to spend, $1 and have it bring back $1 in return with a new customer in tow. And that's exactly what a business needs in terms of advertising. They want to be able to spend some money on marketing and have it bring back even more money in profits. And so again, like where to start as a copywriter, really focus on that. Focus on writing really effective, persuasive copy that gets people to take action. And my preference is these long form sales letters. And I've included a link in the description with this video to a letter that I wrote about how I learned to write long copy that sells. And it includes 3 big breakthroughs, 3 big takeaways or discoveries that I had in going through that process as I was developing as a copywriter. And you might find that interesting to read. My name is Roy Furr. This has been a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Tell me, like, am I on base? Am I off base as far as is this a good place to start as a copywriter? You can leave a comment and share. You don't have to agree with me for the comment to contribute to the discussion. Also, if you like this content and you want more of it, you can click the like button and it will tell the magical algorithms of the internet to share more like it with you, as well as to share it with other people who are like you. You are also free to share the video with people who might find it valuable, and subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, you can follow me here. You can also go to breakthroughmarketingsecrets.com. The link is in the description to get my Monday through Friday emails with even more information on how to be successful as a copywriter, marketer, direct response entrepreneur, and so on. And again, check out that link in the description to how I learned to write long copy that sells. I think that you'll find that a valuable read. Again, my name is Roy Furr with Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, or this is a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, and I look forward to seeing you again in your next video. Thank you for watching.